Hi guys, oh it's so exciting, isn't it? These are my second lock purchases. So I do believe we got the bug, we got the luck bug, we got the luck bug. Oh my god, what's in which? Let's find out, shall we? So these locks I bought from a brother, a fellow lockpicker, side by side. Done me a very good deal on them. Just for some good feedback on his eBay account. No, I'm joking. He done me a good deal on them anyway. And I got an extra lock, I do believe. And I believe I got my first challenge lock. But there have been instructions sent with the challenge lock. Well, not actually sent, but the challenge lock that Si made, I think it's his second challenge lock he made, but he felt that he made it easier. So, and it's a Yale mortise, if I'm not wrong. So anyway, yeah, he felt that he'd made it a little easier to pick than it was originally, so he didn't feel like it was up to standard to be an actual challenge lock for the community. So I get to keep it. How cool is that? I mean, I don't mind shaving it around the community, but it has to come back. See guys, this is how you pack. Now I know why, because all of these bits and pieces are so damn important. Oh, we've got 2 locks in there and more packing in there. That's cool. Just double check I'm not missing anything. Oh, don't know. Nope, not missing anything. Good. Gotta check. You never know what's hidden in the corners. Like, I didn't realise I had 2 of these awesome coasters. So one's for my rum, my whiskey. I do drink that rum occasionally. And one's for my wine. In fact, it's not. I think they're both going to get put on my board with a drawing pin, to be perfectly honest. But I do think they are awesome. Absolutely awesome. They're from Julian Ward. Different package. But, so, yes. My first challenge lock. And it's his second challenge lock that he made. And it's called Purple Haze. You know if you know, and if you don't, you should. Oh gosh. And then, look what I went and purchased. Another black one. I'm going to change the name of this. Oh, this is very new looking. Very new looking. So I've probably picked it because there's a few little bits of brass on the side, but it's, yeah, that's a good looking lock. Verrou n'est pas un lever. So anyway, did you like my French? Yeah, I'm changing the name of these locks to 24-hour locks because it takes you 24 hours of sitting with the damn things before you get into them. So, for Mr. Phantasm, who decided to do a lock a day in February, a lotto lock every day in February, my gosh, do I feel that man's pain right now. I'm still struggling with this number. This one, I was trying to open it yesterday, and I've still not opened it today. I got very near, very, very near, but 1 pin away is not bloody good enough. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Don't think I've ever had so many presents, whether I've paid for them or not, in such a short space of time, from people, ever in my life. I love it. I love how, you know, everything goes through quickly and smoothly. My things get delivered to me, and I make requests like, can you make me a 3D poker trick stand, please? And it gets done, and it's an amazing part of the community. It really is. Oh, oh, oh. I do believe this. Hi, Boots. Bye, Boots. Just 2 minutes, please, mate. You did this to me yesterday. We'd stay there. So this, hopefully, will be what I pick and gut for my green belt. I do believe it's this one. It's the 1100. Oh. 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 Look at that. Oh, wow. That keyway's interesting. Look at that for a lock, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm saying look at that for a lock, guys. You guys don't know what this looks like. But wow, it's a serious lock, isn't it? And the keys, look at the keys. How cool. Different shaped keys. I love it. I love it, I love it, I do. I love it loads. There we go. Ooh. Nice little pop. Poppity pop pop. Must have. Does it have balls? Yes, it has balls. Do you know how I know it has balls? Because there's more of a groove in there instead of. It's more of a curve. Instead of it just being. I can show you on a different lock what doesn't have balls, but it's got ball bearings in where the shackle goes. That is a badass lock. I love it. Oh my god. This strange obsession. Do you know? Oh. But it's a lovely lock. And now, I want so many pretty colours. I want more colours. I love how aesthetically pleasing they are. Oh, I forgot about that. Oh, I actually forgot about that side. Thank you so much. He sent me a shim. An actual shim. Oh, he sent me 2 shims. Thank you. Thank you, bro. It's appreciated. I forgot I'm going to need the shim to take the lock apart when I've picked it. So, how do we open this one? I go this way, I think. So, the other week I sent Si, because Mr. Greyhound had been so generous in printing me 2 3D glow-in-the-dark pinning trays. I knew Si would think they was as awesome as I did. So I sent him a pinning tray in the same envelope that Greyhound sent me the pinning trays in. Then Si sent me something back in the envelope, in the same envelope. Oh, so this, I just thought this lock was so nice looking that I had to buy it. I need new trainers. Well, I bought a Berg Vactor. Thankfully, I didn't have to pay the full price for the Berg Vactor. But yes, there you are, my Alu Titan. Lovely, I love it. I love it. Look at the size of that shackle. I could change so many women up. I mean, so many things up with that shackle. Ooh, lovely. So maybe, I have no idea what colour belt this is. I believe it might be. Well, I don't know. I've seen Berg Vactors on the orange and on the, I'd like to say green, but I don't really think I've looked at green that much. Because I've still not got my orange. But, yes, it's one of them. Anyway, so that one, and that one, and this is my challenge lock in here, which I shall open soon. So those are my 3 parcels, and then my 4th one from Si is, I don't know. What did you buy, Sarah? What did you purchase after the bro? Oh yeah, so the point of me telling you about the Greyhound, Mr. Greyhound's envelope, was we're going to try and see how many times we can reuse the envelope and how far around the community we can get it. And we both, as soon as I said it, we both thought, this envelope needs to go to Elijah, can't he? Because he'd be down under me. Sorry, I will not do the accents. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so bad. Oh, okay. So, just for added, added annoyingness, he's folded the envelope in half and then taped over the envelope. Thanks, bro. Get in the damn envelope. So yes, we have an envelope to send around the community. I suppose I might share some of the locks eventually, but for now you get in an envelope. No, I'm joking, guys. But yeah, we do. We want to... He thought it was cool that I'd sent him the pinning trays. Oh no. Ah, I do believe this is the envelope. Ah, I think this is the Mr. Greyhound envelope. Actually, now I've come to think of it, because I'm trying to think, did he send me anything else? I mean. And I don't think he has. So yeah, that must be the envelope that came from Mr. Greyhound. Oh. Right. Concentrate, Sarah, on the task at hand. There we go. No, it really is like Christmas, but like 1920s Christmas, when everything got wrapped up in brown paper. Oh, so I bought the Sepox from him, but then he gave me another lock. Careful not to chop my leg off, even though I wouldn't miss that particular leg, but anyway. So yeah, so I bought the Berg Vector, I bought the Master Lock, I bought the Sepox, and I bought the American 1100. I got Purple Haze as a gift, and he threw in an extra lock, another Berg Vector, and that's a sea line. So yay! Oh my gosh, I've got so much practice to do now. I've still not got any of AJ's locks open because I keep fiddling around with that stupid master lock. But on my days, guys. So anyway, cheers, Si. It's appreciated, bro. And thank you for my first challenge lock. I'm not going to send it out in the community. Definitely not. I am going to keep this pride of place. And yeah, just thank you for everything. And cheers for watching, guys. Happy Wednesday.